Welcome to a box break by TradeCardsNow.com. This is the second box of our group break for Absolute 2009 football. Get right into this. If you're not a member of TradeCardsNow.com, we'd love to have you join the site. Let's get right into this. Oh, sticker's a little loose. Maybe that means they snuck a nice AP auto in there for me. So Spud got Brady common there. I traded him the Patriots. So let's show that off to him. There we go. So numbered out of 499. Darius Passmore rookie. And we have a numbered out of 99 Cedric Pierman auto rookie. So the Ravens would be Rob. Again, members bought these two boxes. I threw in an extra box of Upper Deck. Bulger, Rams not doing so well, kind of normal. Marks of Fame Cutler, new Bear guy, numbered 1 out of 25. I guess that's a 1 of 1, huh? Sell that on eBay for $1 million, 1 of 1. And a Greg Jennings 2-color prime jersey, numbered 7 out of 50. Right there. Packers would be Bucks and a Ronnie Brown. So on the back we got a Texan, which would be Steve Slayton. Don't like him very much. He's killing my fantasy team. So we got Forte, numbered out of 499. Rookie Gerard Powers of the Colts. Colts would be the TCN store, so that will probably be given away. And numbered 8 out of 25, we have a LaShawn McCoy. That is a prime jersey, event worn. Large patch. The Eagles, also TCN stored, so that will probably be given away. The TCN store helped buy the last couple spots of this box break, so definitely make sure you come to the site and join some of the contests, earn some TCN cash, and probably purchase some of these cards. So we got our Viking, Delmas rookie of the Lions, that I believe is Johnny Webb. Oh no, never mind, that's David Shep. He's having a good night. And we have a rookie Premier Materials Beanie Wells, numbered 1 out of 25. Check that out. Get in on there. Got a 2-color jersey, football, part of the some words on there, probably part of the logo, and a prime jersey. The Cardinals go to Spud, so that'll be going out. And a Sproles base. So again, thank you for watching. These cards will be going out to our members. A few of them will be going into the TCN store, which you could always redeem your TCN cash for. Again, thanks for watching.